Hello everyone, today we are at day 2 at IMTEX 2025. So as of now, my experience was really good. We went almost 10 to 15 stalls and there was a huge crowd was there. So it was really good from my end. I just want to know from Nikhil's side also, how was your experience, Nikhil, as of now?
My experience was too good. Working closely with Mr. Harishankar sir was learning at every corner, and it was really good working with him that close. And I had this experience is very new and it's truly wonderful. There are so many key takeaways that I could talk, but anyways we are wrapping up. So.
अभी हॉल 1 और एक्चुअली फूड कोर्ट का सामने है, हॉल 1 और हॉल 2 के बीच में. वहाँ पे यहाँ पे लोग पूरा सेल्फी पॉइंट. भैया आप बहुत टाइम से यहाँ पे वेट कर रहे थे.
मैं वेट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं वेट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं फोटो खींच रहा हूँ बस लोगों का.
तो मतलब यहाँ पे वेटिंग लिस्ट चल रहा है क्या? बिकॉज मैं देख रहा हूँ कि आप वेट कर रहे हैं, तो आपको ये बहुत अच्छा लगा क्या?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है. यहाँ आना अच्छा लगा मुझे. काफ़ी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग था. बहुत सारी मशीनरी देखी. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
अच्छा, आप कौन सा कंपनी से, आप काम क्या करते हो? आप विजिटर है, आप एक्सिबिटर है?
हाँ, विजिटर हैं हम. आई एम फ्रॉम गेब्रियल इंडिया लिमिटेड. आवर कंपनी यूज टू मैन्युफैक्चर शॉक एब्जॉर्बर्स. और हम उसका जो मशीन डिज़ाइन डिपार्टमेंट है, हम उसका मतलब काम करते हैं उसमें.
आज फर्स्ट डे आया है, कल भी आया था आप?
नहीं, आज हमारा फर्स्ट डे है. आज हमने अप्रॉक्स 5 हॉल विज़िट किए, तो आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है.
नया इनोवेशन वगैरह कुछ देखा? आपको कुछ ऐसा देख के आपको लगा कि हाँ ये बहुत बड़ी इनोवेशन है, हमारा शॉप फ्लोर में होना चाहिए?
हाँ, काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा लगा जो ऑटोमेशन से रिलेटेड है. हम क्योंकि हमारा जो मेन वर्क है हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का, वो मशीनरी रिलेटेड ही है, तो हमें बहुत सारा ऑटोमेशन, जैसे फानुक का देखा तो कुछ नई टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्लीमेंट की है उन लोगों ने. तो वो हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे कि कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव भी रहे और हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट भी कर पाए अपने शॉप फ्लोर पर.
कल आ रहे?
कल तो नहीं आ रहे हैं. आज काफ़ी इतना. मे बी ऑन मंडे वी विल सी.
अच्छा, फिर आ रहा है?
हाँ, ट्राई करेंगे.
ठीक है. थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम. Sir, photo. I have taken a photo for you, but now I will be asking some questions. अच्छा, आप you are from, आप कहाँ से है?
Bangalore, we are from Bangalore.
हिंदी problem?
No, you can speak in English. That's the best.
ತಮಿಳ್? ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ತಮಿಳ್ ತೆರಿಯೋ, ತೆಲುಗು తెలుసు.
Telugu, but not that much.
So we will have English. British have given this language to talk as a common language. So you are from which company?
So I am from Paloma Turning Corporate Limited, Bangalore.
So you have visited here or you are an exhibitor?
No, we are visitor.
You are a visitor. तो आपका कंपनी बनाते क्या है?
So we are manufacturing to the precision turned components, which goes to the automotive industries and non-auto. We are into the different segments. So we export 90% in products to the other countries.
Which market? European market?
No, we are into the major business goes to North America, and we are into the Europe market also. Our above 50% goes to North America and 30 into Europe, and 20 we are into the domestic.
You came here, IMTEX. How was IMTEX? You seen any new innovations?
Yeah, it is good, but it is bit difficult to cover everything in one day. Okay, so we covered almost 3 or 4 stalls, and we mainly looking for some of the new technology, and we find which is something good to us. So we want to explore more, but the time is very limited.
So that is why IMTEX is there for 7 days. They are keeping it so that actually, for me, if I really want to go and meet someone, I can only meet 7 to 8 people. See, if you want to find out a good turning machine, you are making turned parts, you need to, it will take days time. So come again.
Yeah, we are planning to come again, maybe in day or 2, but we'll be there. Because we have a team, different teams. So today we have come some people, tomorrow they have a plan, and even Monday people will come. So we have a different teams, so that we are from new product development and engineering team. So our team will come again.
Okay, so Paloma needs some new products. Let me find out what is his name. साहब आपका नाम क्या है?
So myself Balachander, I am looking after new product development and engineering. These are my team.
Yeah, myself Dinesh.
Myself Balraj.
Myself Ranjit.
Myself Kusuma.
Madam, people say that manufacturing, no women is there. Like women do not work.
There, sir. So many girls is there. Because in engineering and manufacturing, so many work is available, sir. Not only operating, not only inspection. There is some system work also, the development work also.
So means what I am trying to tell is earlier there was no automation. Today automation is there. It is the intelligence than the weight we need to take.
Yeah.
So women have more opportunities.
Yeah, sir. Nowadays there is more opportunity for women also. We'll see future now how it's going on.
Thank you. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye. Day 2 was so crazy and there are a lot of people. And by end, actually, people are almost finished their energy. How was the day for you?
Oh, the day was great because we also got one of the best locations. So thanks for the German council for that. And a lot of people are much more interested in the fine grinding and deburring thing now. So the awareness is already coming up. So it was a good show overall. So far, so good.
We have heard that Indian manufacturing is getting more matured. For your products, you are selling most of the advanced products. How you think that? Is it true?
Yeah, definitely. That's what I say. The awareness was keep on getting better day by day. So we are very happy to note that people start appreciating those finer engineering things now.
Meeting Veronica just is always a pleasure. Such a host you are, and you are so passionate about India. I never expected you to be there in the IMTEX metal cutting. So basically, you support definitely the tool makers. Where if you want to understand the quality of the tool, the mold, what is made, I think no one can beat Milutensil.
We are here because our machine combine perfectly with the metal cutting machine because they are part of the process. We are here because we can and to be always next to our customer with our die and mold spotting press program. Our spotting press are the press with everybody can get a very high level of quality.
You also have a lot of automation lines, the coil automation lines.
Yes, next year we will be again here in IMTEX for the other edition with our coil lines and automation for sheet metal working.
How was the day for you?
The day was very nice. Our booth, the Italian Technology Center booth, is next to the Italian delegation, and we met many people and many customers, and this is great. Always nice to be in India.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, and thank you to Machine Maker to be also always next to our sector.
राज पिपली जी 6 बज रहे हैं, फिर भी लोग पूरा खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब लोग पूरा लोग है आपका स्टॉल में, सुबह से लोग हैं. तो सेकंड डे है इमटेक्स में, आपको कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस है?
आज बहुत एक्सेलेंट एक्सपीरियंस रहा. काफ़ी पॉजिटिव इंक्वायरी मिली है हमें. विजिटर्स भी काफ़ी आए हैं. इमटेक्स में आज सेकंड डे पे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है हमें, और कल भी था. आज अच्छी इंक्वायरी मिल रही है. ओके,
आपके पास वाइड रेंज ऑफ मशीन्स है ना, तो आपका VMCs है, आपका लेथ मशीन्स है, ये डबल है क्या?
हाँ, ये फेसिंग सेंटरिंग है, डबल स्पिंडल. वन साइड फेस होता है और सेंटरिंग हो रहा है, तो साइमल्टेनियसली वर्क करता है. शाफ्टिंग वो सब प्रोडक्ट के लिए अच्छा है.
ये जब लोग आते हैं इधर आपका स्टॉल में,
हाँ.
कौन सा मशीन्स के लिए आपको ज़्यादा लोग इंक्वायरी देता है? मतलब
हमारे
किसका डिमांड किसके ऊपर है ज़्यादा?
आजकल क्या है, वो मैन पावर का सब जगह इश्यू है, तो हम यहाँ पे रोबोटिक सॉल्यूशन और गेंट्री वो सब लाए हैं, और ऑटोमेशन में हमारे पास बहुत बड़ा सॉल्यूशन है, तो वो इंडस्ट्री में हम फोकस कर रहे हैं और वहाँ पे ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हैं.
the day 2 at IMTEX 2025, which has already come to an end. So how's the experience as of now?
It was an excellent experience because the day 1 was the customer strength was less, and today the strength was increased and it was huge, and also customer has spent the quality time with us. Usually when we try to meet the customer, they were busy with their production and day-to-day schedules. They spent a good quality time here and it was an excellent experience in the day 2, and hopefully we expect the same in coming days also.